Welcome to Trucking with Fitz. Today on this, well, as you can see, probably, maybe, windy, snowy day here in central Iowa. We're going to pick up in Oskaloosa some mulch and deliver up to Mason City in, I'm going to say basically a blizzard because the visibility was terrible up there. I think it was a blizzard warning. So it was a fun day, a stressful day, but we get it all taken care of, all done. And get some stuff booked for tomorrow. So stay tuned for some trucking. Morning. As you can see, we're in Oskaloosa. Figured I'd start out before I got there this morning, because I don't know what today's gonna look like. Today is supposed to be a nasty day. We'll just start off with that. It's supposed to rain, it's supposed to snow. It's supposed to do a lot of things. So we'll see if we end up getting everything done that we need to. Going to a Walmart. I have a feeling they're going to be grumpy to unload me in the snow in Mason City. That's what I think is going to happen, but I guess that remains to be seen. For now, we're going to see how big of a line we have. I don't think it's going to be a big line, but yeah, I won't know until I get pulled in. Didn't seem like there was a lot of stuff that moved off the board yesterday. There's not a lot of stuff on the board right now. I'm talking about specifically Old Castle stuff out of Oskaloosa. But it's really hard to gauge. Monday when I was in there was like nobody. There was one truck in front of me when I got there. Like we're in good shape. There was one truck in front of me when I got there, and then when I got back, there's lots of trucks. So seems like you never really know. Right now, I'm not seeing any trucks on the scale. Probably 7 o'clock. That's probably when it is. On the dot. All right, we've already ruined our wash. Looks like there has been a truck on the scale. I don't know, probably their own truck. This morning, I have a Walmart load. Thankfully though, I do already have the pickup number. Monday when I did a Walmart load, I didn't have the number yet at this point, which is a little annoying. Very annoying. They're loading their trucks right now, or at least regular trucks right now. And I'm going to get on the scale here and get checked in. We are right under the pad. This, I guess, is not a pad, but we're on the loading spot. You guys notice anything wrong? Notice anything? Notice anything? Yeah. cheap plastic. So yeah, I get to order a new part. I'm definitely going to get the correct ones with the screw-on type. I'm just going to order a whole new one, because that's stupid. I either need that or I need to machine one out of metal so it doesn't break. Just kidding. I'm gonna get a new one. Oh, fun. So now I got to use a screwdriver to I can press it in easy, but getting it to pulling it out to set the brakes, yeah, can't do that. Well, we're gonna get loaded right away, I think. They came and grabbed my paperwork right when I got parked, and hopefully this goes smoothly, and hopefully I can get loaded and strapped before the rain starts. That's what I'm really hoping for. We will see. We're loaded. It's now 8:18. So it took an hour and 18 minutes to get out of here, and I was the first flatbed. That's pretty typical. You ain't getting out more than an hour. That's fine though. I knew it was coming. The guy that got loaded after me is parked too close to me, so the guy that loaded right after that had to park to my right over here. You can't see him, but he's rather close. I don't know why he parked to my right. He could have very easily parked to my left. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna have to wiggle though to get out of here, and that is, yeah, not looking forward to that. Not looking forward to the wiggle. Maybe I won't have to wiggle. I can get it. I got enough space. Just had to turn left to go right. This FLD really does turn good, guys. Like, coming back to it from the International, I am impressed. Impressed. Let's get out of here. Probably should let the oh, you know what? I gotta stink. I gotta pull over here for a second. I gotta send the broker the paperwork. I forgot I was doing a brokered load. These ones are so easy when they're not broker loads, but for the moment I gotta waste some time, stop, scan my paperwork, send it over to the broker. I believe it's a different broker than last time. I don't know why so many different brokers are getting these Walmart loads. Like, why can't I get a Walmart load? Okay. Mason City Walmart, 4151 4th Street Southwest. Let's go ahead and take a picture of this. Make sure flash is on because it's dark. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay. Let the broker know I'm gone. I'm sure they want... You still on here? Oh yeah, I am still recording. I forgot I was recording. For a split second there, I'm like, oh, do-do-do. Do-do-do. Oh, let's see. Lisa. Why do I keep on getting more? Okay. still recording right now. You're welcome. You get a beautiful view. Actually, you don't. That's a terrible windshield. Whoops. All right, we're ready to go now. The broker is now notified. We can get out of here. I was really expecting it to be a lot nastier. It rained on me for like 5 minutes there for a second. And then it stopped. Just windy, but not real windy. Like not as bad as Monday when I was in here. So we'll see what I run into. We could be into snow. In fact, we probably will hit some snow. Mason City is supposed to be getting snow right now. Unlike what I normally like to do, we're going to be taking 35 basically the whole way. So 163 to 65 to 80 to 35 all the way up to Mason City, where we will hopefully get delivered in a timely manner. I'm sure we will. With how I drive, it should be about a 3-hour drive. In a four-wheeler, it'd probably be 2.5. But with me, no, probably 3. And I have a nice stringy piece of plastic flapping back there. That's the thing about mulch, it always does that. Always does that. Okay. Do a little Jake's here for a second. Again, that's terrible. I'm thinking about everything else. Got a car there and I got a truck coming to my right, and we're gonna get on the highway, but I'm gonna let you go. I figure I'd give you guys an update. Weather has deteriorated significantly. We're probably around Ellsworth, Iowa, north of Story City, still south of the 20 interchange. In between 30 and 20. It says that way on purpose because I'm traveling more. And it's definitely got nasty. And we've had people in the ditch. So we're starting to freeze. We've still got road spray off the back of vehicles, so we're not too bad. But it's definitely starting, I mean, there's been people in the ditch, so I do want to go faster than this guy though. Go ahead and buy him. We're going to get a little bit faster than Sutton Cruise again. Yes, that's all big. I didn't actually mean Sutton Cruise. I realize this is not good weather to Sutton Cruise. So let's correct myself before. We're going to get around him and then chill. We'll say it that way. Shall we? I'm not intending on going real fast. Right now we're doing about 60 on I-35, so 70 mile per hour zone. I haven't checked in a while how long I actually got, but I think it's only going to get worse as we go north, so makes sense, huh? Yeah, it's only going to get worse as we go north. Should be full on snowing up fact, I was scheduled to get there at 11:40, and now with the slowdown, who knows what'll happen. Starting to build up on the windshield washer, windshield wipers. So. Yay! A fun mid-March snowstorm. It's funny too, because yesterday it was 71 degrees, and the farmers were in the field doing tillage, and then today it's in the 30s and snowing. That's the way it goes. We'll see you guys when we get up there. Got some action here, boys. Maybe get a little to the side here so you can see better. Ooh. It is just like suddenly gotten slick right here. It really hasn't been that bad. Here in the last few miles, it has gotten worse. We still got an hour to go. Fun. Sugar Path says it's 11:45 right now, so yeah, we'll get there at noon. Hopefully we can get some. Hopefully they take care of the roads a little bit better here. Obviously, I'm not actually giving them a hard time. I know the snowplow operators are out and about doing their job, but I contemplated getting off the highway and taking 65 north. When we got to the 20 interchange, I really thought about it, but I decided not to. Starting to think that would have been a good idea. I think our problem is the fact that it's really windy and we have a crosswind. Don't know exactly what direction the wind is coming out of, but I think it's coming out of the northwest, or northeast rather. Which for an empty truck is rather unsafe. The Schneider truck does not want to go with consistent speed. I do not want to go 35. I also don't want to go 70. Anyway, I'm going to keep trucking through this. And we'll see. I jumped back on. I said we'll see you up there, but I thought that was sort of interesting, so here we are. deteriorated. 'Getting off. 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 ' I'm sure you got some wind noise. As is suspected, they were not excited to see me. I'm not excited to be here. I mean, realistically, this is, it's not really snow, it's like sleet stuff. So it's pegging me right in the eyes. And you probably got some good wind noise, but I'm gonna go try to get in a better position, because this is not where I need to be. They're all like, hey, make this guy do it. Who's the closer today? Let's make him do it. Okay. The windshield wiper's going again. Need to clean those off before I leave. Oh, okay. What do I need to do? Let's go find some mulch. It's slick, but I move. I'm not looking forward to being empty in this. We are going to need to take our time. It's a good idea anyway, but when I was pulling up, they were plowing down here. So I might just go right where they already plowed. I don't know if they're still plowing or not. I don't see the piece of machinery anymore. Well, he's down the other end. Yeah, I'm gonna go where he's already plowed, and they can deal with it. Maybe he's going to take another pass over here. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just sit right where I am right now and call it good. Yeah, he's coming over right now. Let's see what he does. Gotta set my brake with a tool. Let's see what he does. They can move these cones. I think they can get on both sides of me right now. So right where I'm at might actually work fine. It might actually work best. See if this guy yells at me. He's not going to yell at me, but get on me for where I am. Okay, yeah, we're good. I'm probably gonna get out and start unstrapping. Probably gonna get in and out a few times because this isn't gonna be pleasant. That's okay. As long as I get a few done in the back and they can get started so they're not waiting on me, I don't care. All right, this is take two. Just got a picture of the truck in this environment. It's like the camera does not do this justice. And you've heard people say that before, but that's the reality. Camera covers up a lot. I should have plenty of room to turn around right where I'm at. There's 2 truck stops that I know of that are in the area. One is sort of towards downtown. The other one is, I passed it on the way in here. I'm gonna go to the one towards downtown. Don't worry, it's not that difficult to get into. Because I'm gonna go south on 65 to get out of here. Gotta wait for this guy. See what he's up to. I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna swap spots probably. Started to spin there. Still spinning. I'm spinning, but I'm going. So we're just gonna let it idle out of here. There we go. I had it in low gear. I wasn't winding it up. Okay. What? He's stuck too. Hopefully he can get out of there. He might have to back all the way out of that. We're gonna leave the inner axle locked in here because it is a bit of an incline. Get out of here, no matter what entrance or exit I go out of. I don't really feel like losing traction. If I get stopped, I'm gonna have to back out and try again. And I'm gonna get stopped. Let's see if I have to back out. I might have to. Oh, joy. I'm going to my right now is what my plan is. I don't know that I'm going to make this. I'm probably going to not have traction. Oh, of course this is a busy street right now. I need the whole road. Somebody coming from the right. I'm probably just gonna let you go here so I can have my whole brain, because this is unpleasant. Okay, it's 2 o'clock now. I chilled here. Well, I filled up first, and I've been chilling here doing my invoicing. Well, I thought I was gonna be able to move. Back a little bit here. I might have to. This is going to be interesting. Oh, of course there's somebody right there. Hit anybody. It's always a plus. It is nasty, and I am empty, and this is not going to be a pleasant drive home, but we're going to get there because we need to be there. But yeah, I've been chilling, doing my paperwork. I need to get my invoices in before 3. I was doing that, eating my lunch, all the different things there. It shouldn't be too hard to get out of here right now because this road down here is closed. Oh, I spoke too soon. No, I'm good. I'm good. They have to wait. I'm gonna send it. I really need to not stop, ever. light up here is actually blinking red. So it works in my favor because I'm gonna roll right through it. Well, I'm gonna stop mostly. I'm just not gonna stop all the way, because if I stop all the way, I will be stuck because it's on the incline. Goes. Yeah, no stopping here. Sorry guys. Hope there's no cops, but if a cop comes, well, I'm gonna tell him exactly why I didn't stop. And I would assume that most of them have common sense. If I had stopped, I would have had to back out of it. I have no traction right now. Like I say, it's going to be an interesting ride home. Hopefully we can keep some momentum up. Do I not have my lights on? I don't have my lights on. Thanks, bud, for shining that. We got them. We got them fixed. It's something you definitely want to have on right now. Visibility is not great. I'm gonna let you go. I have a job to do, and that is get home safely. So I'll probably jump back on here at some point if something interesting happens, but right now we're gonna focus on what we're doing. Not sure if you can tell how windy it is and gross it is outside, but the snow is definitely sideways. We're 30 mph sustained and in upper 40s gusts, so it's pretty breezy. The roads aren't too bad here close to my house, but there was plenty of weather to fight on the way home, but we're safely here, empty at the house. We are all set for tomorrow too, so we got work going into Friday actually. Plan right now is we got scheduled on a Mount Air, Iowa, out of Oskaloosa. So we're gonna take some mulch down to Mount Air, which that is right off of highway. Is that one down? You know, I haven't been down there in so long. I don't remember what the highway is. I actually booked that one on purpose because of a load that I wanted to get. Highway 2. Pick up in Mount Air, well, drop off in Mount Air, Oskaloosa to Mount Air, and then I'm picking up in Seymour, Iowa. Well, actually, it's more. I'm picking up at Hawkeye Matt in, I think it might be technically a Seymour address, but it's Promise City, Iowa. It's like a mile or two off of Highway 2, south of Highway 2. I've been there a lot, and one of my favorite places to pick up. John is the guy in charge there, and I haven't seen him in a long time, and he's probably going to give me a hard time because last time he tried to call me, a couple times he's tried to call me, I didn't answer him. Should have. I couldn't at the time, but I also didn't have a open deck trailer to use at the time. So we're back at it. We're going to be hauling crane mats, picking up tomorrow afternoon, going up to Garner, Iowa. That one's $750, I think. It's $550 to Mount Air, $750 to Garner. Unfortunately, I can't deliver same day. I was gonna try to pick up first thing in the morning on that crane mat load if it was paying well enough. I needed it more than $800 though. $800 was my limit. So the fact that I couldn't deliver tomorrow straight through was a bummer, but I was able to find that Mount Air, which doesn't work for me to pick up here, pick up at Oskaloosa after deadheading from home, deliver in Mount Air, and then go home. I need something to pick up down there in Mount Ayr. There's not enough rate per mile. So picking up in Seymour, or Promise City, is an hour, so it's like 64 miles, I think, something like that, east to get to Seymour, Promise City area. And so it works out pretty nicely. All the per miles work out. I don't have anything booked yet for Friday, because we'll be delivering that crane mat load first thing Friday morning, and we'll see what we can get out of that area up there. If we can't get anything and I have to come straight home, I'm still covered. So thankful for that. I'm thankful to do something else besides mulch for a day, because mulch gets pretty boring and annoying. Crane mats are, I love equipment more, but as far as ease of on-off, crane mats are the best. I love crane mats. Crane mats are so easy to haul. They're pretty low drama. They're heavy, but they're usually pretty low. Easy to strap. These ones are going to be not timber mats. If you hauled these before, you know what I'm talking about. They're not timber mats. They're laminated mats. So they're used as an entry mat, not an actual for the cranes, if that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm gonna get off of here because I got some stuff to do. I gotta get my dunnage on the trailer. I need to shovel my trailer because I got covered in snow. Well, you can see back there. Just gotta get a few more things on the trailer that I need, and then we're gonna get inside, take a shower, get video uploaded, all that jazz. Hopefully all this doesn't take too long. Need to leave here for my in-laws house at 5:15. So I'm gonna shut up now. I got a little work to do, and we'll see you on the next one. Comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and with that, we'll see you on the next one.